Hi, today I was asked how did I cut the worktop that I scribed into the alcove. I used my jigsaw from behind, so I got a clean cut. I'll show you that in a minute, but these are the four main blades that I buy. 144 DP, very thick, strong, coarse cut. If you just want to cut something, if you want to keep it straight, that's what I used on the worktop. These are my standard blades, 101B. And if I want a finer cut, these ones, 101AO. They're a smaller blade. And metal cutting, 118A. Forget about them for now. They're my standard blades. They're about that thick, but they can bend a little bit if you're not careful. These ones on the other hand, don't know if you can see, but they're thicker, a lot stiffer. So we'll talk about these. There's a piece of 18mm MDF. It's been sprayed at some time. Imagine I wanted to cut that. Let's cut it from the face. It'd break out all over the place. So I'll get a bit of wood straight and cut it from behind. You see, stay square. You can follow the line. It's a wiggly line because I drew a wiggly line. I obviously took a little bit more time and care when I cut that desktop into the alcove. And with these blades, because they are so stiff, this is a piece of 3B2 70B 40. Cut it square without wondering, and even if I can do it. So it didn't go all the way through, but fairly square.